Every 14 seconds, somewhere in the world, a woman is diagnosed with breast cancer. But there's something equally important to know. When breast cancer is detected early, survival rates can be very high. Hi, I'm Nimra Hasib, and today we are going to talk about the early signs of breast cancer, how to check yourself at home, and why early detection can save life. Stay with us, this video could save your life and someone you love. Let's start with the hard truth. Breast cancer is now the most commonly diagnosed cancer in the world. Over 2.3 million women are diagnosed with breast cancer every year, and incidences is rising particularly in younger women. And the biggest problem is that in the early stages, it often shows no obvious symptoms, no pain, sometimes not even a noticeable lump. That's why regular screening and self-checks are so important. Now, one of the most simplest thing you can do is self-breast check at home. It only takes a few minutes, and here how you can do it. Stand in front of the mirror and look for any changes in size, shape, swelling, dimpling, or changes around the nipple. Use your finger pad to gently feel your breast in a circular motion, covering the entire breast, including the area near the armpits. If you notice a lump, unusual discharge, or anything that feels different, it should always be reported to a doctor. Doctors recommend doing this once a month, ideally a few days after your period ends, when your breasts are least tender. Here, you are not looking for something specific, you are simply getting familiar with what's normal for your body. Now, what if you feel something? First, do not panic. Most lumps are not cancerous. They can be cysts, fibroadenomas, or normal hormonal changes. But it's still important to consult a doctor as early as possible. Your doctor may recommend tests like mammograms, ultrasounds, or biopsy. To understand the cause, mammograms are usually recommended annually for women over 40 or earlier if you have family history of breast cancer. If needed, a biopsy will be taken to confirm or rule out cancer. The good news is that breast cancer treatment has advanced significantly. Today, breast cancer treatment is more advanced than ever, with breast-conserving surgery, targeted therapy, immunotherapy, and minimally invasive procedures offering better results with faster recovery. The most powerful thing you can do is simple. Check yourself, know your body, and if something feels different, act on it. We at MedSurge India guide you through every step of the journey from consultation to recovery, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience while helping you achieve renewed confidence and balance. If this video helped you, share this video with every woman you care about because awareness saves lives. And if you found the video helpful, subscribe because we cover everything you need to know about your health simply, honestly.